Hi Valentina, how are you today?
Good.
Okay, so you and I just finished reading How the Grinch Stole...
The present.
He stole the presents, and this story is called How the Grinch Stole Christmas. And you are exactly right. The Grinch did steal the presents. So we're going to talk about this guy's character. Okay, his character traits, who he was inside. And can you tell me, when we were reading the story earlier, you were so awesome. Tell me how he felt inside.
Inside the...
How is he inside? What's his feelings like? What kind of person is he?
Angry.
He is angry, huh?
And he did just his fingers.
Yeah, he snapped his finger. And in the beginning of the story, like you said, he stood from his lair.
And look, he's
Greasy snare. And then you said,
Abby.
and then he went out into the town. And what did he do to their presents? Valentina, what did he do to his presents?
And he did.
What did he do with all the presents?
He did all the presents. And he cooked the presents.
He cooked them or he took them? What did you say he did?
Cooked them.
He took them, right? He took them. He stole them. And if he's already feeling sour inside, how do you think he felt when he took the presents?
Took the present.
How do you think he felt?
I'm angry.
There he is, snapping his fingers, like you said, Valentina, look. Now, when he took the presents, right there, he got caught. Who caught him? It was little Cindy Lou Who was no more than 2. She snuck in and she said, Why are you taking our presents? And did he tell the truth or did he make up a lie?
Because I'm trying to take the present.
Did he lie or did he tell the truth?
No.
Yeah, you're right. He lied. He did not tell the truth. He told her he was taking his workshop and fix them up, but that's not what he did. He took them.
That's a baby Grinch.
And then when he got to the tip top, he heard them singing.
Yeah.
And he heard them singing because perhaps Christmas means a little bit more. And in the very end of the story, what did the Grinch end up doing?
He did.
What did he end up doing?
He cut the meat.
He did cut the meat, and did he give the presents back?
Yeah.
He did. He gave the presents back. So
Yeah.
what we're going to do is we are going to think of somebody really quick who means a lot to us in our heart.
Now first we need snow.
Hold on. Who means something to you in your heart? Who takes care of you at school? Who's really kind? Can you think of a person like that? Who? Who can you think of that's nice like that at your school? Who? Give me an idea.
What? My fingers are going.
You gave me an idea before. Can you tell me who that person was we talked about earlier? Who was that person that you said you wanted to possibly make something for? Okay, so earlier Valentina and I talked about possibly giving something to Miss Katie and Miss Dipti. So, what we are deciding is we don't have
My hand is gone.
anything to give them.
This.
Valentina, can you show everybody what we do have? Let's show everybody what we do have. We are going to use our imaginations and we are going to be creative with the art supplies that we have. And we are going to create something. Can you show me what you have, please?
And we have snow,
Uh-huh.
pom-poms, pipe cleaner,
Uh-huh.
and a cup and a jar.
Okay, now with those items, what are you going to create? What are you going to create? Can you show me what you're going to make?
We are making a Christmas.
You're going to make a Christmas present. Okay, so I'm going to be like your elf helper, and you're going to be Santa, and you're going to create something. So go ahead, use your imagination, and make something beautiful, and we're going to give something and make our hearts happy. In the end of the story, did the Grinch feel happy about giving the stuff back? Valentina? Did you feel happy about giving stuff back? Yeah. So can you help me put the stuff inside?
Yeah. First, I need to put all the snow inside.
Yeah, that's going to take a very long time because we kind of dropped the pieces. Okay, here. I'm going to do teamwork.
Okay.
I'll help you.
I will help you too.
Okay, go ahead. Go ahead. Now, do we use real snow or what do we really put in there?
Ooh. Look, the snow's cold.
Yeah, we can use our imagination. Ooh, it's cold. Now, what else?
It's cold.
What else do you want to put inside?
Christmas tree. Little Christmas trees. Little Christmas tree. Little Christmas trees.
What sizes do you
From
have?
little Christmas trees.
What sizes do you have?
Small.
Okay, you want to put the small ones in?
Wait, Mom. I'm not done with the smallest.
Here we go. Put them in. Would you like me to help you?
I need help with the big one.
All right, I'll do the big ones. We'll do teamwork so
Mom,
we can
I
show
don't
our
need a red one.
okay, so we can show our friends the finished
Mom.
product because we don't have
white,
our yeah. Okay.
white snowballs.
All right. All right.
Mom,
Nice work. Well, that can't sit flat because it's not a flat bottom. I see you have some Curly Q pipe cleaners. I saw that you picked those out earlier. Do you want to put those in too?
We didn't need the. We need.
That is that's the pokey thing, yeah.
These are
Okay.
snowballs.
So go ahead and put the other ones in.
No, put it like this.
Okay. Put them
These
in.
are good for Christmas. Boop. Rainy.
Okay. All right, I'm going to stop this now.